take this as a special greetings from me. I'm making this video because a lot of prepaid meters are at stake. We don't like doing things as at when due. We like being rushed. We like going out at the 11th hour to get things done. If you are seeing this video and you have a prepaid meter that has not been migrated from key revision number 1 to key revision number 2, I bet you in 2 months' time, that meter expires. I want you to watch this video I'm going to be putting up shortly. It's actually a session held by one of our colleagues, Engineer Gumel, under Prepaid Electric, and there are other comments coming up like this. There are similar videos and similar orientations coming from several discos to customers, begging them to visit the cash office. And I think the earlier Nigerians adhere to this. In fact, it's not only Nigeria, it's applicable to all South Africa. Okay, so please just take a while and see this video.
This is to inform you about one worldwide development about prepaid meters, not in Kaduna Electric alone, not in Nigeria alone, but it's a worldwide affair. STS standard meters will have what they call rollover by November 2024. So every meter has to be upgraded to certain value of standard before that date. Otherwise, any meter that was that has failed to receive the upgrade token will cease to operate by November 2024. The implication is that that meter can never work and it can never be used, so it has turned as a loss. So you can see the colossal amount of loss that will happen. We are appealing, we are calling for your cooperation and understanding to please, by 1st of August 2023, reach our any cash office and ask for a TID rollover token. It will be given to you just like the way you are purchasing your electricity token. You enter it the way you are entering your electricity token, and once the meter accepted that token, it will upgrade itself automatically. And I want to call your attention to two of the prominent questions. How about my old token in the meter? It will stand there, it will not be touched. How about the speed of the meter? It is going to stay permanent as before. No increase, no decrease. It is only the meter programming system that will be upgraded to avoid the rollover repercussion.
There's an order number, NERC/2023/005, was a document that was released to this regard. Before the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission order on the migration of token identifier of standard transfer specification meters from key revision 1 to key revision 2. This order takes effect from 6 July 2023 and remains in force until amended or revoked by subsequent orders issued by NAC or the Commission. STSA has mandated the migration of the token identifier TID